Hi there everyone, welcome back again to Engineering Pritam and in this PTC Creo Parametric series. And in this 88th video where we will be talking about symmetric curve as well as curve connection. So without further ado, let's get started. And if you want to follow our entire PTC Creo Parametric series from zero, then I have added the entire playlist in the description of this video. Now let's come back to today's topic, which is symmetric curve as well as curve connection. And here you can see I am already in part modeling environment. Now I'm gonna click here on style and there we go. Now let me quickly click on active plane parallel to screen. Now let me click here on curve and let's click here on active plane orientation. Now I'm gonna place a few points here and let's click here on symmetry curve. Now I'm gonna select this plane as a symmetry. And there we go guys, here we can see how this curve now look like. First of all, it automatically got extended to this symmetry plane. And that's how it is different from mirror tool as well. Because in case of symmetry curve, first of all, we are drawing the same profile both sides as we can see here. Now let me click OK. Again, go to curve edit. Now, if you make some adjustment one side, you will see the similar adjustment is being made to other side. Now let's click here again on curve, planar curve, and this time again I'll be selecting the same active plane and probably I'm gonna make 3 points, and now I'm pressing shift so that I can make a proper connection between both. Again let's click OK. Again go back to curve edit. Now let's say you would like to fix the kind of connection here. So right now it is just a joint between both these curves. Let's say you would like to go with a tangent connection. In order to do that, let's select on this joint. And now if you click on tangent, let's change this constraint type from a natural to, let's say, G1. So as soon as we hit G1, here you see the connection between both is now more refined. Let's say you would like to go with curvature. For that, we need to select this G2. Now you will see the connection between both the curve is much more refined or much more polished. I mean, you will not feel the difference between both these curves. So these kind of connection are extremely helpful when we are working on, let's say, surfacing where we do not want any joint to be seen. Now there is one more option. Let me again select this link, which is known as acceleration. So this will further make the curvature even more smoother. As you can see here, how it is further affecting our curve. Now let's hit OK. And now here you will see extremely smooth joint between both these curves. Again, let me go back here and again, let me select the same. Probably I would like to go with, let's say, tangent in this case, which I would say would be good enough. Now let me again go back to curve edit and I'm gonna press shift so that I can connect it here. Okay, and now also let's hit OK. Now let's say you again would like to form the symmetrical curve. Let's click on it and let me select this plane, and there we go guys. So here I guess we should have selected this symmetrical curve if we wanted to form, and because of that here we can see what happened. And because this was starting point, so here you can see this is not what we wanted. So again let me delete this curve, and this time again let me actually plot it like this, and from starting I'm gonna go symmetrical curve. Let's hit OK. Again curve edit, and I would like to place this point here, and probably I'm gonna press shift and I will connect this here. Let's make this again I would say this point tangent, and probably I'm gonna go this time with control point, and now I will adjust this so that this look better. Okay, let's click OK. And now this is how the whole surface look like. So in this way guys, we have seen in this video how we can form different type of curvature connection, as well as we understood symmetrical curve feature. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow complete PTC Creo Parametric series. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.